Hello guys, let's see how to find the moment of inertia and centroid of an object using AutoCAD. So I am Paramveer Singh describing this one. So centroids. So what do you understand by the term centroid? The centroid or center of gravity of any object is the point within that object from which the force of gravity appears to act. Then we have the moment of inertia. So the moment of inertia is the measure of an object, of any object, a resistance to change to its rotation. Means the resistance to change of its rotation is called the moment of inertia. So now we have one problem regarding to find the moment of inertia. So determine the moment of inertia of the shaded area with respect to x-axis. So we have one area. The length is 120 and the width is 240 and the radius is 90 mm. Okay, all units are in mm. So we have to find firstly with traditional method. Find the area of moment of inertia. We are using find the area firstly. So the area of a semicircle, then the rectangle we have to find. So then we have to find the area of moment of inertia of x-axis. Then this is showing the solution. To find out the area given by the solution, so we have to find the area of rectangle, then area of semicircle, then minus this, then we get the moment of inertia 45.9 into 10 power 6 mm power 4. Okay, now we have to move to our AutoCAD, how to use draw. So firstly we have to draw one rectangle with the help of line. I am drawing. The length is 120 mm and the width is 240 mm. Then we have to draw one semicircle. I am drawing the circle of radius of 90 mm. Then using the trim command TR, first enter, then second enter, then you have to select the circle. So I select the upper circle to trim this, then the second line. Okay, now we have created this area region that will be shown in our question. Now we have seen the length, then the width of our area 120 into 240, then we have to find the radius. The radius is 90 of semicircle. Then we have to region this whole body. To convert this into region, we are using the region command REG. Then select your object. I am selecting the object, then enter. Then you can see it. I convert it into conceptual mode. Then you can see the region part. then convert it into a 2D wireframe. Then we have using the mass property, MAS property. Then select your object. Then we have seen the area, perimeter, moment of inertia, centroid, moment of inertia, okay, product of inertia, radius of gyration. So there is some changes required, so I go to move command. Then I am changing the origin point to 0, 0. So use move command M, then give the displacement is 0, 0. Then we have to find the mass property, MAS. Then we can see the area, perimeter, moment of inertia 4, 5. So that is shown in our solution, 45.9 into 10 power 6 mm power 4. So this is our solution to find the moment of inertia. So we find the area, perimeter, bounding box, centroid, moment of inertia, and the product inertia, radius of gyration, and the principal moment of and x direction about. So you can convert it into notepad file. So if you want to convert it into notepad file, then Y enter, then save it into your file. Then we have to open this into notepad file. I am opening this, and select the notepad option, then OK. Then we have seen the area, moment of inertia, and furthermore. So that's why we have used the. Please subscribe, and thank you very much.